AI cat videos are going viral all over the internet, especially on YouTube, and they're getting millions of views. One channel has gained over 1 million subscribers by posting just 28 shorts. Another has gained 2 million subscribers with only 93 shorts. And there's a channel with over 3 million subscribers after uploading just 97 videos. It's incredible to see. If you scroll through their content, you'll notice that all their videos are hitting massive numbers, like 89 million, 79 million, and 45 million views. All their videos are racking up millions of views. If you can create similar content, you'll likely go viral within a few months. Let's dive in and watch some of these videos to understand why they're going viral. As you can see, this niche is easy to create content for but incredibly appealing, and there's not much competition yet. I haven't come across any tutorials on this niche, which is why I've made one just for you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make these types of videos using free AI tools. So without further delay, let's jump right into step 1. Let's take a closer look. This channel has used artificial intelligence to grab the attention of millions of viewers. The numbers are truly impressive. Just think videos that tell simple but fascinating stories about cats can make up to $500,000 a month. This shows that with a creative idea and smart use of technology, you can achieve great success. The success of this channel comes from making content that is both simple and highly engaging. The cat niche has always been popular, but adding artificial intelligence and unique content has turned this channel into a big money maker. There's still not much competition in this space, which means there are lots of opportunities for anyone looking to get started. With free AI tools available to everyone, you can also create quality videos. So let's not waste any more time. Let's start with the first step and see how easily we can create these kinds of videos. Follow these simple steps, and you too can become a successful content creator in this niche. First, go to the Lexica website. This site offers powerful tools to help you create beautiful and creative images. Step 2, search for cat images. Once you're on the website, type in the phrase fashionable cat to find pictures of cats in different moods and styles. Step 3, create trendy images. Picture a cat strutting down a runway with a stylish and modern vibe. Lexica lets you create unique and eye-catching images of cats in these kinds of scenes. Step 4, select and download images. After creating your images, take a moment to review them. Lexica generates many images, so you can browse through and pick the ones you like best. Then, download your selected images. You can save as many as you want to build a collection of beautiful and unique photos. Now let's go over how to add cat sounds to your videos. Adding the right sounds can make your cat videos even more engaging. One of the best places to find free cat sounds is Pixabay. Here's how you can download and use these sounds to enhance your videos. First, visit the Pixabay website. Pixabay offers a large collection of free resources, including images, videos, and audio, without the need to sign up or pay. Once you're on the website, type cat sounds into the search bar and hit search. You'll see a variety of cat sounds, from simple meows to playful noises and purrs. Browse through the list and listen to the sounds. Pick the ones that fit your video best. Then click the download button to get the audio files for free. You can download as many sounds as you need to complete your video. Now, let's move on to video editing with CapCut. I'll guide you through making a professional and attractive video using CapCut. CapCut is a free and user-friendly video editing program that makes it easy to edit your videos. Step 1, open the CapCut program and create a new project. Once you're in, import the images and videos you want to edit into the project. Step 2, adjust the duration of your images and videos. By default, each image or video lasts 5 seconds. You'll need to trim them to fit your desired length. To do this, click on the image or video, then adjust the duration at the bottom of the screen. Repeat this process for all your images and videos. First, click on the image and then go to the animation section. Now, select Combo and you'll see all these animation presets. You can try different animation styles to find the best one for your image. For example, I'm using this style for the first image. Here's the result. It looks really good. Do the same thing for all the images using different animations. Next, click on Transitions at the top. Then choose a transition that suits the images you selected. You can also copy what I do. Next, click Effects here. What I usually do is pick an effect that matches the image. My main technique is to base everything on the background music so that it syncs well with both the image and the music, making the video clean and appealing to viewers. If you find the video confusing, you can always rewind and watch it again. Next, add effects that suit the image video. Just be creative, or you can follow the effects that I use. Then, add background music. I'm not quite satisfied with the effects I've added so far, so I'm going to add more effects to finalize and fully utilize the entire image clip. You don't need to add too many effects, just the ones that complement the video to make it look good. Keep it clean and simple, but add something unique to the video. One of the keys to making your video go viral is to make sure it's well edited, clean, and professional. Next, I'll add a meow voice effect in some parts to make it more realistic to watch. Finally, I'll make adjustments for color grading to make the video more attractive to viewers. This way, the video will look appealing to the eyes when watched, giving it an elegant, classy style. Just be creative and add a unique style to your edit. And finally, export the video. Make sure to select 1080p at 60 FPS and click Export Now. This is the final result. Tell a story. Don't just create a random video with AI images to get likes and subscribers. You need to tell a story with these images. If you watch some of their videos, you'll notice that each one tells a different story. If your video doesn't tell a story, it won't go viral. If you invest some time, you will be able to create an even more beautiful video. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help the channel grow. If you want to learn how to make money with AI videos, this video is for you.